What up? What's up? So, I told you we were gonna start aluminum. Got a little bit of aluminum here. I still haven't got my polishing belt yet. So, we are doing it the old hand way and scrubbing her down to make sure she's nice and clean. Haven't really been playing with the settings a whole lot. Well, to be honest, because the only aluminum I touched was what I welded the other day. So we got this about all cleaned up. We'll wipe her down with some acetone. These are our clamshell adapter flanges. I'm not gonna clean this because I think it would be a better representation of what you would get at home if you ordered this from us. So it should be clean, right? I have not touched this surface, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to wipe it down with some acetone. If there is any residues or anything on there, it'll wipe that off, and then I'm going to wipe this off, and then we're going to weld it and see what happens from a complete amateur standpoint. So give me just a minute. Let me get some stuff to wipe her down. One day I'm gonna have this like all prepared in a fashion so that I don't have to get up out of the chair. It'll just be like magic. Like everything you need is in one spot. Like those really good people on the YouTube and stuff, like they do. Obviously I'm not that good, so that's why we are the way we are. So we got that all cleaned up. She's shiny, you can see she's nice. All right, this side here, like I said, I'm not gonna scrub this down. I am literally just wiping it with acetone because I wanna know how it welds. And that's, I'm sure you do too. Looks good. We'll see. We shall see. Get this lip real good. I don't want it pulling any kind of contaminants up from the inside of this lip. These are a tight fit, just so you know. They do fit good. They are snug. So she's golden right there. Try and do it this way. I think that's how we're gonna try to do it. I gotta turn the fans off and grab the gas and things like that. I'll be right back. All right, so we're at 75 amps. I don't know what that's gonna do, but that's gonna be max right now. We're using 53, 56, 3/32 and blue 2% lathanated number 8 cup, and we're gonna give her hail, see what happens. I'll probably tack it on 4 sides, and then I'll probably lay it on its side to weld it. I don't like that. Yeah, we definitely need it on AC. That's gonna help. So I don't like that, but I don't really know what to do about it. I'm not really sure what to do about that. So I don't know what I'm doing, but I just turned the balance to 60 and the frequency to 115. I'm not sure if it's going to make it better or worse, but we're going to give it hell, and then if we have to, we'll try something different. All right, we're gonna have to turn the amperage up. I don't think it's enough amps. I think we're too cold. I'm gonna turn her up to 100, and I'll just pedal it if I need to. Something's going on, but I think that actually made it worse. So we're gonna fix that, turn it back. See what happens. More heat though, we need more heat. All right, so that was definitely a lot better. We turned the, let me see here. We turned the frequency to 100 and the balance to 75, and that looks legit. Like I like that. I'm gonna clean off. You see the corrosion here, the black. That's not good. You don't want the black. I'm not a welder, and I know you don't want the black, but we are not gonna fuck this up. We're gonna try hard to not fuck it up. All right, wiper deck down. You could probably hear the machine. It didn't sound like it sounds when good people weld. So there is that. Like I said, I don't know exactly what we're doing here, but we're gonna figure it out through trial and error. It's gonna be a little long video, but I really don't know if I don't know how I want to position this thing to weld it. That works for me. That works for the camera. We're gonna give it a shot. See what we can do. So we're not running hot enough. That's definitely not hot enough. The weld is staying up on top of it. So I'm gonna put a little more heat in there and see if we can get it to lay down for the next go around. So that was a little better. I still don't think there's quite enough heat in it. So we're gonna crank her up a little bit more on the foot. Woo, we rolled. You don't want that to happen. That's bad. That's bad news, Brown. So we rolled, and I come off the torch, and when I did that, obviously the gas went away. So then now I have contamination there, and the worst thing I think, in my opinion, to do when it's contaminated is to try to keep going, because then you're just gonna mess it up even more. So we're not gonna run that risk. We're gonna clean it off again, because we want the best results possible in the least amount of experience that we have. So clean her off. We're still, I don't know that it's bad, but I don't know if there's enough heat in there. I mean, it's getting plenty of penetration. It's definitely melting. I just don't think it's right. Really need to get a clamp or something, because I can see this being problematic. welding rod is hot. All right, so we're done. We're gonna look at it. So that is all done. Remember, I did not scrub our clamshell at all. I could tell in the beginning when I started there wasn't enough heat. Obviously, I don't think that that's bad at all. I think it'll work. But this is probably, yeah, this is much better. There's a lot more heat in that. But all in all, I'm not too disappointed. I wouldn't be afraid to have it on my car. I mean, I might try to blame it on somebody else. But no, it's not bad. I'm just kidding. So that is our clamshell adapter clamp flange. I didn't clean it or nothing. I just threw it on there, wiped down some acetone, threw it on there. So it's pretty clean. I'd say it's nice aluminum. It's nice aluminum.